This is a 2026 Forest River Stealth 2710 model, and I'm gonna take you on a walkthrough today. Now let me give you a few specifications. The trailer's length from bumper to the front hitch pin is going to be 32 feet and 3 inches. It has a dry weight of about 9,700 pounds and a carrying capacity of about 4,900 pounds for the garage. Speaking of the garage, you're gonna have a length of about 15 feet and 7 inches. Tank sizes, your fresh tank capacity is 150 gallons, your gray tank capacity is 90 gallons, and your black tank capacity is 50 gallons. My name's Sam, I work at Referral Auto Group in Escalon, California, and if you want to reach out to me, you can call me at 350-207-7290 or email me at the email on the screen. I think we should get into the walkthrough. Starting on the outside of the vehicle, first thing I noticed when it came in was this new front cap they did. It is a molded front cap and it's got that nice vanity lighting on it. Coming underneath, you do have a pass-through storage, except for it's more of an L-shape pass-through storage going around to the passenger side. Coming back here, going down the right side, you're gonna have no slides on this one. There's gonna be a lot of space still on the inside. 6,000 watt generator. You're gonna have your instant hot water heater, your water manifolds right there. That's where your propane tanks go. Going right over here, you have 16-inch radial tires with a CRE 3000 suspension system from MoRide. There is 600 watts of solar with an 1800 watt inverter on this RV. Right here, you're gonna see that we have framed windows all the way around. This is your back patio. We're a little bit close to the wall here, but you do have a patio along with a ramp to get inside of the coach for that garage. Down the back, on the passenger side here, you're gonna have framed windows along with your awning. Underneath the coach here, we do have electric stabilizing jacks on the front and the back of the coach. You do have your fuel pump right here where you can turn it on directly and off directly, along with seeing your tank readings. You do have a MoRide solid step into the coach along with the safety rail from MoRide. This is the other side of that pass-through storage. You can see the aluminum frame under there. Let's head inside. Heading inside the RV, first thing we walk into is the living area. You have some nice vanity lighting, but beyond that, I like the colors and the mixture of them on this coach. It all flows pretty well. This is gonna be your couch right here on the bottom. Those can also turn into a queen size bed along with your bed up top. You can see your patio railings on the back side there with some lighting. Turning around, this is the kitchen area, along with your TV and fireplace underneath, which means you have two forms of heating on this coach, your propane furnace and your electric fireplace. You do have JBL speakers on this coach on the inside and the outside. All of the drawers and doors are gonna be real wood. Fridge is 12 volts, which means that your battery is on, your fridge is going. Thermofoil countertops, storage up top, and they created some backing up top as well if you needed to put something on top of any of this cabinet space. Two reclining chairs right across from the TV. Just before we head up the stairs, I did want to point out this little guy on your key ring. This is a remote control for your inverter, which means that if you ever need to start or stop your inverter, you have it at the power of your thumbs, which you can see right here on the wall, can also be activated manually. Here is also your control module for all the parts of the vehicle, along with your solar amp controller. Next up, the bathroom. You can see your vanity mirror right there with some storage, some good counter space. Across from that is your toilet. It is a porcelain base, and you have your boxed shower there, which I like because being a little bit wider and a little bit taller, that seems to have the most space. Heading into the bedroom, we have a king-size bed with side tables, storage above and in front of. That's where your hanger is for your clothes. Space is pretty good. Quite a bit of walking space as I come through here. First time I walked in here, I thought that was a lift-up window. Coming back to the main area, I did want to touch base on you do have two ACs, one in the living area and one in the bedroom. All right, let's head outside. That was a walkthrough of the 2026 2710 Forest River Stealth. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like that, please like the video, subscribe. We're gonna be posting videos like this pretty consistently. Anytime we get a new RV or used RV, we do a walkthrough on it. My name's Sam, you've been awesome. See you on the next video.